Hi, it's Raymond Whittaker from VivaMK. Just on the live stream here, just to unbox a delivery I just had. So let's see what people have been ordering from VivaMK. So just open the box up. Got some bubble wrap. Got the delivery sheet. Looks like everything's here. So in this delivery, we've got some catalogues from VivaMK. We just updated the catalogues. So get the catalogues out first. The personalised catalogues and health and beauty catalogue. Got some more bubble wrap. Got another catalogue. Got some chocolate cream real replacement shakes. Inside this box, got a second box. That's the first box. It's emptied. So let's have a look what's inside this box. So we've got some unicorn colouring books. We've got some interior humidifiers. Got some Blue Magic. Got a Blue Magic spray bottle. So this stuff's concentrated. So you just add this to this with some water to dilute it. So we've got a set of probably foundation testers for the Beauty UK cosmetics. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different shades. This is box finished. So thank you for watching. And if you want to join my team with VivaMK, just PM me from below and send your details out to you. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Okay, bye.